How to fix Spotify not saving songs problem. If you're trying to save a song on Spotify and you're not being able to do so, first you need to make sure that you're signed into your correct account. You want to simply tap on your profile picture at the top left of your corner and you want to check about your account if it is correct or not. If you are inside your correct account, what you want to do is, after that, if you're still not being able to save, you want to check your internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. If you have a working internet connection as well, you can simply go to your Play Store and check for any kinds of app updates if it is available. Go to your Play Store and you want to search for Spotify. So that if any kinds of update is available like this, you want to simply tap on update to update your app. Now you should be able to save your songs on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.